give him a, is that filter working on him? Okay. Oh yeah, he trying to show y'all something. Hey, Big De Niro. Jabaz, you need to get one of them. Mike's MK Galleries. Okay. Mike just came from TikTok, y'all. Chris Smith. What's up with it, Chris Smith? Terrell Wilson. Terrell Wilson sound like he played football like a bitch. Humble. What's his name? Humble God First. Sound like he go to church every week. Don't miss a week. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Mr. Make It Way. Tesla for the win. We got Mississippi in the building. Look at Brandon Sound every Sunday and Wednesday. Tommy Johnson just came from TikTok. Tommy Johnson, he sound like he ain't shit. He just got hired somewhere. Tommy Johnson, Tommy, that just remind me of Tommy out of Martin. I ain't saying it in a disrespectful way, but I want to say, bet he ain't been a supervisor at no job. Bet he ain't the supervisor. He probably be like, I got my own company. Okay, my bad, bro. Let me see who else in it. Mike in the building. Paper Route Shine. Let me see. Somebody else just Digital Punk. Hey, Digital Punk just came from TikTok, y'all. What kind of name is that? Digital Punk. I hope you talking about punk music, man. Is that what you was talking about? Memphis in the building, y'all. Alrighty, guys, you got about 15 minutes. Congratulations, Tommy. What up from North Carolina? Mexican Pimp. Ooh. Mexican Pimp. You know they ain't giving big charges for that shit. Shout out to the 601. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. I'm also live on my YouTube channel, and it's called Lookout Racing. It's showing good. Got it HD. I got HD. You can turn your phone sideways and see two cars. Okay. I'm watching your friend over here in Houston. Oh yeah, that's my boy. Ashley. We got Ashley from TikTok. I ain't never had no Ashley on here. Hey, Ashley girl. No, that's a girl. Ooh, she ain't even got no E in her name. What y'all know about them Ashleys that ain't got no E? Just that. Okay, we got Big Lowe's, Carlos from TikTok, y'all. Bedlow speak good ass Spanish. St. Louis in the building. Hell yeah, we getting more people in the chat. Mexican, okay, Mexican Pimp said they be work. Street Peeps is a cool channel. Yeah, I'll be watching that too sometime. I've been watching King Sid lately, y'all. I'm gonna start talking. Maybe one of the people that I be watching come in. I've been watching King Sid lately, and yeah, I've been watching old Marty Moore. Oh, clickbait ass Marty Moore. He know how to use that clickbait, boy. Marty Moore, you know, I want to use some of Marty Moore game. What he be doing, he'll get a fine ass girl, put her in the screen, thumbnail, make it seem like he doing something with her, and then bam, start the video just to find out it's just a friend. What the fuck? yeah. And boy, he will. He be ready to block it. As soon as you start saying anything nasty or something, he gonna block your ass. He gonna block your ass. Okay, we need 250 more TikTokers. Yeah, I'll be on CJ with 32. I seen them, Marty Moore and CJ with on 32. I looked at that nigga necklace earlier today. I said, God, that don't make no goddamn sense. Then he was taking it off and putting something back on. I said, boy, he know how to make that shit look good. Jaden Woods. Is that a girl or a boy? All these old both gender names, I'm getting confused. Hey, everybody got the Mustang. What the hell they hollering for? I done got thirsty, y'all. Patrice. Uh-oh. Patrice just came from TikTok. Patrice, where you from? I used to know old Patrice. I quit talking to her motherfucking ass. Nah, I knew two Patrices. Yeah, I knew two Patrices. They were both some cool Patrices. Them Patrices be cool. They don't be wanting no problems. I still. Okay, Warrior Bones 50 just came from TikTok. What's up, Warrior Bones? That sound like, what he be, Warrior Bones? What kind of name? He one of them people went to school and learned how to break all your bones. Oh yeah, I thought this was freaking cool. This is Ligma from TikTok. What's up, Ligma? Okay, we got Ligma from TikTok over here, y'all. Any of my other people, okay. Alright. Where is this at? Dallas, Texas, Yello Belly. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, man. I got my YouTube channel bumping and jumping. We got 700 people in the chat. We're trying to get a couple more so we can make sure the record broke. We're trying to at least get it up in the 800. That way we have us a solid number. 777 cool. Okay, who else is there from the TikTok? Indiana in the building. Okay, who are that? Okay. Oh, they said we almost at 788, y'all. Hey, I need some TikTokers. Come over here, go on, help me break this record. Subscribe while you're here. We got Shayla in the building, y'all.